How do I customize the look of my list archives? Under the List Management menu, click on List Customization and select the list that you want to work with from the pull-down menu. To change the color scheme for your list, you can click on any of the 24 predefined color swatches. If you need a more precise color, use the color picker or enter the color code directly in the text box. If you want to use a custom logo in the navigation bar, enter the full URL pointing to the location of your logo. Since the web interface can be used on mobile devices with viewports as small as 320 pixels, the custom logo should not be more than 200 pixels wide to leave room for all of the navigation icons. The default height of the navigation bar is 40 pixels, but you can still use a logo that is larger than 40 pixels vertically. Simply increase the height of the navigation bar to match the height of your logo. If your logo is smaller than 200 pixels by 40 pixels, you can use the padding numbers to position the logo in the navigation bar so that it all adds up to 200 by 40. If you prefer to use a background image for the navigation bar instead of a solid color, locate the text box labeled Background Image and enter the full URL pointing to your image. Then either repeat the image or stretch it to 100% to cover the entire space. You can also change the background color for your list pages or include a background image. The font family, size, text color, and link color are also fully customizable. Once you are pleased with the results, click the Save button to store your changes. To start over again, use the Cancel button. Now when you return to your list homepage, you will see your new custom look. The changes apply to all pages related to your list, including the archives, subscription screen, message posting interface, and the archive search screen. Thank you for watching.